I love it, because a lot of times when homeowners get into their home, they kind of forget about, who I can really, tap into. So to have your information, maybe like on their refrigerator or something, that's awesome. And it's definitely a sense of security.
And we have magnets for them.
Oh, good. Good. Yes.
And then I was gonna say something else that's like really big right now. So we have a lot of first-time generational home buyers. So a lot of people are buying homes for the first time for their family. So a lot of these traditions about taking care of your home and taking care of different things around your house, they're not being passed down. So a lot of these people, like I said, it's their first time buying a home. So just having us as a company, like knowing that we have their back and everything, just provides them with that extra sense of security.
Yeah, I love it.
And then we're going to be here for them. They can call us and we can go out, and if they just have a question about, hey, Elijah, what is this? Hey, Carly, what is that? We're happy to meet with them at any time and say, okay, here's where these cutoffs are at. Here's what's going on here. Just educating them.
Yes. Now, is there a service fee, associated with that type of?
There is not.
Yeah, it's not.
Wow.
I was gonna say it really depends. Like I said, so bottom line is we're here for the customer at the end of the day. So everything just isn't about money. Like, we want to help you guys just as much as you can help us. So if someone ever needs something or they just want advice or something, they can easily pick up the phone and call anybody in our office, and we're happy to help.
Wonderful.
Shoot a photo to us. Say, hey, we don't know what we're looking at. Can you tell us what you think based on your experience?
Wow.
And we're happy to give them that type of guidance. And we do that a lot, like I said, moving down the path of home ownership. And unfortunately, there are individuals that have had to deal with claims, and that's something that we work with their agents on, and whether it's a viable claim or not, and how it may affect their relationship with their insurance company, and whether or not they should actually move forward with it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
that's good. So, say for instance, if you cannot detect what the issue is just by phone call or by video chat or something like that, if you have to physically come out to the property, is there a trip fee or anything?
There's not. So we actually just had a job the other day where it was a plumber called us up and some water damage had been done, and basically we just went out there to go check out the situation and assess everything. And long story short, we didn't end up landing the job, but we still gave our assessment and our advice, and we did not charge that company for that. So our thing is just we want to build great relationships with everybody in the community and just let them know we're here for you.
I love that. Oh, I love that. I mean, it's some really good core values I'm hearing.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And so that's definitely what my firm is built on: great core values and just taking care of the community and people, and it's not always a price attached to that.
It's not.
That's right.
It's not always a price, because integrity and everything. Integrity is literally at the top of our core values. Just being fair and honest, and just being fully transparent with our clients. Because if there's a certain job and we really can't do it, we're going to be transparent about that. We're not going to take on more than we're able to handle, or just give you an outrageous quote or anything like that. That's not how we work over here.
I love it.
And then teamwork is big too.
Yeah. Okay.
Teamwork and just product and just providing great quality work in everything we do. And like I said, just making sure the line of communication is very clear.
I love it.